Welcome to Ranco Environmental Services, your top choice for dumpster rental in Claxton, Georgia. We don't just offer a service, we provide a solution. Effective waste management is the backbone of any successful project, and we're here to make that process seamless and stress-free for you. Our commitment to exceptional service is evident in every aspect of our operation. We prioritize timely delivery and pickup, ensuring that your project remains on schedule and you experience minimal disruptions. With our transparent pricing, you can trust that there will be no hidden fees or unexpected costs. We provide a precise, straightforward quote so you can effectively manage your project budget. Our dedicated team is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. Whether you need guidance on selecting the right dumpster size or assistance with scheduling, we are here to provide the support you need. We're not just about convenience, but also committed to environmental responsibility. By choosing Ranco Environmental Services, you're contributing to a cleaner, greener community while receiving the reliable waste management service you deserve. Ready to make your project a success with Ranco Environmental Services? Visit our website at www.rancoenvironmental.com dumpster rental Claxton GA, or call us at 912-687-9800 to schedule your rental today. Experience the difference with Ranco Environmental Services, where your waste management needs are handled professionally and carefully.